Gustarse causes so many problems for English speakers. Why exactly? Well, because you've been misinformed. Now, there are two main things we need to look at. Number one is the meaning. So we're going to look at two verbs here in English that are synonyms. They convey almost identical messages, but they do not work the same at all. And that is where we go wrong. I'll explain. So the verb to like, we first conjugate the verb, I like, for example, and then we follow it with the noun. So the clouds, plural noun. I like the clouds. We're conveying that message of me liking the clouds. Perfectly fine, perfectly understandable. Now let's try and use the same logic, but this time with to please. So we first conjugate to please, I please, and then we follow it with the noun. And if we're trying to convey the message of me liking the clouds, this makes no sense at all. And this is the biggest misconception because you're told that gustar means to like, therefore you're using it as if it was to like, when what it really means is to please. Now, how would we get the idea across using to please? Well, first we would start off with the noun, the clouds, followed by the verb agreeing with the subject's plurality. So please, the clouds, please, and then followed by to whom? The clouds please me. So we need that indirect object pronoun exactly the same as we use it in Spanish. So this is what we're going to be looking at right now when we're trying to figure out how we use gustar. Now the last problem is the order of which the words go in. Now in English we have the clouds please me. So we have the subject followed by the verb followed by the indirect object pronoun. In Spanish it's reversed. So we have first the indirect object pronoun me followed by the verb, right, gusta or gustan depending on the subject plurality, and then followed by the subject, all right? Me gustan las nubes. And this works exactly the same as all of these verbs. It interests me, me interesa. The clouds fascinate me, me fascinan las nubes, right? You annoy me, me molestas. Now you can say me gustas, but what you are saying here is you are pleasing to me romantically. I like you romantically. If you want to express that I get along with you, I like you as a friend, then you're going to use llevarse bien, sorry there, llevarse bien or caerse bien, okay? I get along with you as a friend. If you liked the video and you want the exact roadmap I use to get to a very high level of Spanish, head over to my program. The link is in the bio and I'll be in there to give you a great hand. Until the next video, nos vemos.